Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be looking at our notes on interference. This is going to be a really quick note session. Interference is defined as the interaction between two waves that meet. We have two types of interference that can take place. We have destructive interference. This happens when the crest of one wave passes through or over the trough of another wave, and this is going to decrease the amplitude or the height of the wave. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw in the process of destructive interference. We're going to look at before, during, and after that process. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our waves before they can begin the destructive interference. So I have wave A, which has a positive amplitude, and wave B, which has a negative amplitude. We could also say that wave A has a crest, wave B has a trough. And you can see from the two arrows which have been highlighted, these waves are moving towards each other. So once you're done drawing in your two waves moving towards each other, we're going to draw what it looks like during the destructive interference, or once they overlap or pass through. So because the crest and trough are the same height, as they interact, we have A plus B together, we have a zero amplitude. Again, that's because they are the same height. If A was higher than B, we'd have a very small positive amplitude. If B was greater than A, we'd have a very small negative amplitude. But because these are the same sides, they completely cancel each other out, and we have just a straight line. The waves continue to move in their original direction, so wave A will continue to move to the right, wave B will continue to move to the left, and we can see now in the after image that they have passed each other and they continue to move away. Our next type of interference is constructive. So just like destructive destroys or cancels out, constructive interference is when the crest of one wave passes through or over the crest of another wave. This is going to increase the amplitude. So just like last time, we're going to draw our before image, our during image, and our after image. So we have two waves, A and B. This time A and B are both positive because this constructive interference has two crests that are going to pass or overlap, and they are moving. You can see the yellow highlighted arrows moving towards each other. During the interference, they're going to overlap, and our amplitude of A and B together is going to double because I have A and B both positive amplitudes. The waves are going to continue to move, and as they separate, they go back to their original size and then continue on in the path of their original direction. I hope this helps break down the difference between constructive and destructive interference a little bit better. Be sure to ask your science teachers if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching.